may nakasulat dito. Arrangement is also, nagbibigay sila ng mga idea. You know, this ice cream gives you some idea on how you eat this more delicious. Anong tinutukoy niya? Maglagay ka nito sa bread, then lagyan mo ng egg. What? Tadakimasu. Hi everyone, and today's video I like to share limited ice cream. Yes, here in Japan, of course, only in Japan. So I want to share it with you because it is limited and I don't really know how long this is available in the supermarket, and I also think it is available in convenience store. Actually, you know me, I don't really go to the convenience store. Yes, so I bought this one here in the supermarket today. So I finished my work. My work is done, and I just want to, after work, it's getting hotter in Japan, so I was thinking that I need to cool down, a little bit. That makes my mind and body cool down, and because it's very hot now, and yes, the summer is coming here in Japan, and I think this will help me to cool down my mind and my body before I go home. So I went here in the supermarket, and I think I need ice cream. I need to try something. And you know me, in this channel, the Japanuji think Japan is focusing in a limited edition snacks and foods items that is limited, that is not always available. It's limited edition. So let's try this one. Okay, so yes, mag-ice cream tayo ngayon na naman. Okay, so let's go to the ice cream na ipapakita ko. Let's go to the ice cream, or yes, tignan na natin kung anong ice cream ang tinutukoy ko. So here the ice cream. So ito siya. Ta-da-da-da! Yes, this ice cream. So okay, and the ice cream name, the name of the ice cream is the Super Cup. I know if you're living here in Japan, if you're if you're living in Japan, or you love Japan, you're staying in Japan, if you're a trainee here in Japan, I know you know what is Super Cup. This is very famous and very popular to foreigner. Okay, to the foreigner here in Japan, especially Filipino. Yes, I know mga Filipino is mahilig sa Super Cup because Super Cup is very cheap. Yes, isa siya sa mga ice cream na cheap lang. Hindi siya expensive. Okay? So available lang ng bulsa, and very friendly sa bulsa. So kayang-kaya nating bilhin, kaya kahit na wala kang pera. Kahit na kulang yung sahod natin this month, kaya pa rin nating bumili ng Super Cup dahil very available, very talaga siya, very not available. It's very talaga siya, very cheap, and kaya lang talaga ng bulsa. So yes, and this Super Cup is anong flavor? So the flavor ng Super Cup today na ita-try natin is the Chocomento. Okay, this is Chocomento, Super Cup Chocomento, and it is from Miji. Okay, from Miji Company. So sa mga nakaka-try ng mga Super Cup na ice cream dito sa Japan, we know na limited to, di ba? It is a limited edition. The Chocomento, it is not always, and this flavor is always, I think, only in the summer, or if if the Japan country begin to mainit na, nagsa-start na yun, lumalabas na yung mga Chocomento na mga flavor. Kahit ano na brand na mga company, hindi lang Meiji, I think, sa mga iba ding mga company na mga gumagawa ng ice cream, I think gumagawa na din sila ng mga Chocomento na mga flavor dahil pa summer na. Oo. Nakatry din ako noon, but I don't think it is a Meiji, I don't think it is not a Meiji. I think before I try it, and this time, this is a Meiji, and lata na siya. Lata na siya dahil kanina pa ako dito, dal dito. Kanina pa ako dito, so latang-lata na siya, kaya need na natin talaga kainin to, di ba? So, latang-lata na. So, hi, let's go and let's try this one. And ang nakalagay dito is may additional pa siya na it means pari-pari daw, pari-pari choco chip. So it means na hindi lang siya Chocomento, yung aji na, yung flavor lang, it's not only Chocomento, but there's a chocolate inside. Of course, choco nga eh, di ba? may chocolate siya inside, and it's pari-pari daw. So let's go. Let's try this one. First, we need to open. So pag open mo nito, may isang plastic pa to siya kasi it's covered by plastic para siguro hindi maano yung ice cream. And I think ano tong na ganito? May nakasulat dito. Arrangement is also nagbibigay sila ng mga idea, this ice cream gives you some idea on how you eat this more delicious, more interesting, di ba? So ito na nga, nagcopy na sila nagcopy na sila sa atin yung ice cream ba na nilalagay mo sa bread. Alam natin yan, pag ikaw Pilipino, alam mo yan, yung ice cream kinukuha mo din, ilalagay mo sa pandesal, ng ganon, ilalagay mo sa sandwich. Ay, ang sarap yan. Kaya nga, tignan nyo. So hindi lang pala Pilipino ang nag-idea niyan ngayon. Sila din, di ba? Let's make French toast with super cup. So, ang sinasabi dito na maggawa daw ng toasted na bread, di ba? Mag-toast ng bread, then ipalaman yung super cup. Ilalagay yung ice cream sa bread. Do you think it is delicious if we try this Chocomento in a bread, in a toast bread? What do you think? Do you want to try it now? Oh my God. I have bread, but I don't have toaster here inside my car, What do you think? Let's do it. But it is not toasted. It is not a toast bread. You can make it without eggs. Oh, why? You want me to put eggs in this chocolate? Let's make French toast with super cup. You can make it without eggs. Anong sinasabi niya? Anong tinutukoy niya? Maglagay ka nito sa bread, then lagyan mo ng egg? What? I don't think so, but it's not interesting, right? It's super interesting. Yes. But I don't think if I will try this. I will try that idea. So what do you think? Put this one and put some egg in a sliced bread? Oh. So, if you want me to do that, why not? If you have comment down below, so let me know if you want me to try that one, and I will try it with you guys. So, please comment down below if you want me to try this one, that interesting one. But today's video, no, I don't have toaster here in my car, so let's try this. Okay, the Super Cup Chocomento. Okay, let's go. Wow, hilis na siya. Tadakimasu. Yan. Wow. Here we go, guys. Here we go, and here we go. Okay, here we go. You know the texture? Yes, you know the color. This color, the Chocomento color is very, I really love the color of Chocomento. So, yes, we're going to try this one. Tadakimasu. Ah, wow. This Miji Super Cup chocolate mint. I felt excited to try it. The green color made me think of cool mint leaves and a refreshing taste. The design of the package was simple, but it caught my attention right away. After tasting it, I imagine a smooth and creamy ice cream with a mint flavor. The chocolate and mint combination felt special because it was both sweet and cool, like me, sweet and cool. At the same time, the mint gave a fresh feeling, while the chocolate added a rich and delicious taste. What I like most about this ice cream is that it looks fun and refreshing, right? Can you feel it? The fun and refreshing. It is a great snack for a warm day or when you want something sweet after a heavy day or after work. Yes. The cup is also easy to hold and carry. Overall, I think this ice cream looks delicious and inviting. The colorful package, refreshing mint theme, and chocolate flavor make it very appealing. I would be happy to try it again and share with you guys. Ice cream na limited edition na alam mo mawawala lang sa buhay mo. Hindi mo na matitikman. Siguro pag tapos ng summer, mga ganong pagkain, need talaga na yan na mga moment na mga dapat you will spend time na moment sa mga limited edition. Yung alam mo, hindi forever. Yan na naman tayo. Yan na naman tayo, yung forever, yung dumadaan lang, ganito. Shuk, mga ganito. Shuk, mga ganun ba? Nung dumadaan lang sa life mo, din, hindi pala sila forever nandyan. Ano ba yan? Di ba? So, mabuti na lang pagkain lang mga limited edition dito. Huh? Hope you enjoy today's video na ginawa ko na alam niyo yung a little moment lang na mga ganito na but may nakukuha kayong mga new limited edition sa mga video ko ng ganito. And I hope you will watch the next video. And yes, if you support this channel, this Japanogy, Think Japan, I really appreciate you. And I will always say to you, thank you for that. If you like this video, share, comment, and subscribe if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. And thank you so much for watching today's video. And I really need to go dahil parang nagdilim, so parang malakas ang ulan mamaya, so need ko na talagang umuwi. So I need to go home, guys. And yes, thank you. Goodbye.